share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when we put some new videos,
You will be notified.
as you can see, we have colored hair.
You already know that.
I have to count.
Anyways, in this video, we're going to be doing
An unboxing because we went to
Korea!
and right in front of YG building, there was a cafe called The Same Eat, and they sold YG group like albums and products.
And
And so
these are the things we're going to unbox. The cats. Not kidding. So this is the album of my brother. Show it.
no. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got the R album from Rose, her
And I got
solo
the L
album.
album from...
No, it's LacsI.
I mean the LacsI album from Lisa.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
And this is so my brother also has the gold one.
Yeah, I have the gold version. She has the black version.
Because I love that. Hold on, let me get my Kit Kat.
Mine's a little dirty. I don't know why.
Wait for me.
I got it from like the same e-gallery, so why is it dirty? You don't see other it is.
Hey, you're covering me.
It is so dirty. Yeah, and we're actually filming on top of
On top of some of my other K-pop albums. And my new jeans.
no, this is the
Right.
oh yeah.
No!
Oh wait, yours has a different feel. Go get mine.
No, I'm not getting yours. I'm gonna get it at the end.
No, go get mine so we can compare.
No! Later.
Go get it.
Later! Yeah.
Oh. You ready? Here we go.
One.
Wait, I'm gonna stand up. There's four.
Go. One,
Wait, not yet.
1, 2, 3. Come on.
Okay, so this must
Come
be
on.
a photo card. Wrapped in it. Oh, it's like her songs right now. Okay, so of course it's Rose photo card. And cute stickers! Wait, show the stickers. Look.
No, I got this.
I'm gonna put it inside, but first let me show you this photo. Look, this photo for a second. I have two, what's this called again?
I got the poster!
Jay! Oh lolo.
I got a poster. Oh, I got 2.
No, it's 2 in 1. Wait, let me show my photo cards. She's sexy. Got this one, and then I put a
You don't got no poster.
cute
Yeah.
her like having the sandwich grilled cheese. This one she looks stunning.
Oh, I found an album.
Roses are dead, love is fake. Girl farted!
No, listen.
Oh,
Ta-da.
her in that cute jacket.
Yeah.
It's not clear, right?
Ouch.
Then finally her in the same jacket but in front of a store.
Hey, me too, I think.
They're all black and white, which is so cute. It's so aesthetic.
I want to see the book. So.
I have the photo book too. Then you have stickers. It's just the same outfits. But I'm not gonna show them because I'm not gonna show them because there's an electric fan that's like blowing right now. So I don't want them to blow.
What?
Oop. Okay. So the CD is very simple. It's an R on it.
This page is L.
R on it. In gold. Oh, you can see yourselves or ourselves. It's just simple, which is good.
Oh, in this photo, Lisa has like simple things.
Oh, these ones are colored this time. Wait, why does it? Oh wait, it's like a lyric video.
That Lisa, Lisa, la, Lisa, 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 la, Lisa, Lisa, Lisa. on me.
Everything I need is on the. Everything I need is on the ground.
I came here to drop some money, dropping up my money.
Oh wait, it's the lyrics are actually on here like this. Oh no, it's just.
Hello, over Playboy.
I think this is the lyric video. Like the lyrics. The lyrics are on here. Just big old pages which I don't want to read.
Oh, a snake.
And then this one is on the ground. I can't show you the picture. I can, but like there's so much.
Here's written Lisa. Wait, Kuya. Hey, I started. Lisa. That page is boring.
No.
Your CD is boring.
By the way, she is my bias.
And she is out. She is my bias.
Wait.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, okay.
A pop.
All my love is gone.
That always comes in my life.
Put it back.
And then here, I don't know.
Well, I don't think it's really photo cards. So me and Jade actually got some like little booklets to put our photo cards.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get mine.
Oh, by the way, my cousin gave me the Rose Oreo collaboration photo card, which is so cute. Thank you so much. I'm gonna need it.
Hold on. Okay, so we're back.
Yeah, I got all my albums, so I can put them in the little booklets.
So this is my booklets of photo cards.
What did it say? Math?
K and Z.
Math? Okay, why math? Close to their face. And then we still have more albums which are in the luggage. Because we came back from the trip. So I have the I Love album photo card. I have
Hamoot. Anyway.
Yuki and Shua. I think it's Shua. No, Mia. No, actually,
Then Black Panther, then Fourth Hyben, then Twice. But I don't have the Seraphim. I have one Le Seraphim card. Oh my gosh, Le Seraphim. Le Seraphim. Happy. So yeah, I'm also gonna be putting all of my new jeans. Hold on. So I may have a lot of new jeans, like photo cards. So I don't know how I'm gonna put them all. It's thick, so I don't know.
Keep them in the package though.
Why do I have a nail in here? Okay, anyways, let's go.
Group photo can actually.
So I'm gonna do like I did with BTS. I'm gonna reorganize. Not you. Danielle is so freaking great. I don't know how you say it. That's Ian, whatever it is. This is not lollipop. I think this is what you're talking
I have 7 albums right now.
about. Okay.
Correct.
Oh, there you go. Then with the lights
of NMIX.
Mama, wait, where's my treasure album?
Oh, by the way, our cousin actually.
Mama, it's not here. It's only Kuya's treasure album.
Our cousin actually gave us some treasure album. But the thing is, it does not come with the photo card because she took them. But it comes with the songs. Right? With treasure. Anyway, she wasn't actually home, so she gave us her treasure album. This treasure, first the album, the second step.
Wait, yeah, it's Kim Namjoon, Kim Jisoo, Kim Jennie, Park Chae-young, LacsI, Pink.
Where does it look like this one? Okay, so this is the Expergo album from NMIX. Get out. Oh. You're meant to complete this, but then I am too lazy.
Can I complete it?
No. So this is Odensha, and this is Odensha. And second, Odensha. I didn't get my bias, but I got Sonia, which is also like my favorite. But Jiwoo is my bias, and then I'm missing one more album. Where did the other album go?
In your face.
Okay, wait. Idol, you're gonna go behind twice, actually. I'm gonna make space for them. I'm gonna go look for more NMIX albums. I want their new album, and A Midsummer Endless Dream. I hope they sell it. I think they do at the store.
Ta-da! Oh my god, guys, my photo card album thing is so full.
There's like a store that I want to go to. I don't want to go to.
But we can't. Because we don't have our
So
card.
this is the lyric video, and this is
Oh wait, this is my best friend.
I have two photo books and one waiting for.
Yours is not heavy, mine is. Let me see how you organize your thing. Okay. Oh, you have a Jenny? Can I please have one Jenny?
Oh, that's from the Kill This Love album.
You need to give me a Jenny.
Now, should we open the? Oh, I forgot to wrap my treasure album.
Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you have 8 pockets in that color. Me, I have 1, 2, 3,
Did you already put Jungwon in?
5. I only have 5. Don't touch my Dark Blood album.
That's not even an album. It's just the Dark Blood is the album, but that's not the album. That's just Jungwon thing. Okay, should we open our light sticks for them? Again. I have NMIX's light sticks.
I have New Jeans. Where the heck?
Oh yeah, and in Korea we actually made these little kids.
Yeah, but I left it out. Wait, I have a photo card. I got a photo card of Minji.
No, you got the photo card of the whole group.
Oh yeah, I have to wait. I have to stop them here.
The thing is, me, I didn't get photo cards, so I'm gonna go on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna look for the photo cards. And also on Ice One.
Oh yes.
Even though they forgot
Okay,
it
so this
already.
is.
I'm gonna turn it on yet.
Han. I can't tell.
I bet it's just full of glass.
Oh.
Where that shit?
Sorry, Kincaid.
Don't put double photo cards inside.
No, there's a. Yeah, that's it.
So if you look at the back, you'll see the letter of the name.
So this black.
That's Herin.
Kian! This is Kian. I was thinking my own vibes.
She says she's a bunny, but then
Shh. Waiter! Polawa, no, it's kimchi soup, polawa, whatever you say.
you mean okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh wait, switch your let's switch it.
No, you do it.
Off the light and off.
I'm gonna. I don't even know the fan channel. Wow! Oh, it's there.
Okay, well thank you guys for watching the rest of the album.
The orange is so pretty.
And how many colors is this supposed to be? 5?
One.
No. Where you go?
Well,
No.
we'll see. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
That's Danielle. Danielle.
A banana shear.
Mine is
Polawa, kimchi soup.
Olama.
She does like that's her fan channel.
Not
Polawa.
or flower?
Yes.
Probably.
How come I know the fan channel more than you? And I'm not.
I know Blackpink's fan channel.
Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna research the fan channel of my new jeans baby. So, bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and blah blah blah. And turn on the notification bell so when we post new videos, you'll be notified. Yeah.
The harmony is